The World Health Organization's 2024 Global Tuberculosis Report shows that 1.25 million persons died from TB and 10.8 million were infected. The risk of TB rises with diabetes, weakened immunity, malnutrition, tobacco use, and the harmful alcohol consumption. Alarmingly, cases of multi-drug resistant TB are increasing, and 2 out of 5 patients with MDR TB lack access to treatment. Sa kasamaang palad, kabilang ang Pilipinas sa top 5 high-burden countries, contributing 6.8% ng global TB cases. Pangarap natin ang isang TB-free generation, zero deaths, zero disease, zero suffering. Achieving this requires integrated, patient-centered care, bold policies and strong systems, and intensified research and innovation. In support of this, dito sa Senado, kasama si Senator Jinggoy Estrada, nag-file po kami ng bill to amend Republic Act 10767, the Comprehensive TB Elimination Plan Act, para mas palakasin ang TB response ng bansa. Halos isang dekada na ang nakalipas mula nang i-implement ang RA 10767, pero nasa top 5 pa rin tayo sa high burden TB countries. Kaya layo ng mga amyenda natin na palakasin ang diagnosis at treatment ng TB, i-promote ang collaborative at multisectoral approach, at ipatupad ang promotive at preventive measures para sa TB elimination.